Hey everybody, let's see. Today I'm going to talk to you about my experience buying the Whoop 1 year membership on Amazon. I ran into an error where the subscription, which is basically like what you're really paying for, the expensive part, did not load onto my app correctly. So I'm a current Whoop user. I had lost my Whoop, just to give some background. I left it in a golf cart, and I was looking to get a new one. Um, so what I did was I went on to Amazon, bought the new one with the 1 year subscription. Total cost $258. I can put a screenshot of what I purchased specifically on Amazon, just so you can make sure that we're talking about the right item and order. I went first to Reddit, so I'll try to put a little snapshot up here of what I saw on Reddit. There was a couple users that had run into the same issue. They were talking about having to contact support, so I was like, okay, that kind of got the wheels turning. Maybe I'll have to reach out to support directly, because when my Whoop arrived, I had paired it, and there was really no um, code or anything to redeem for the year subscription. So I was assuming that the subscription would just add automatically to my account when I paired the Whoop. Looks like that should be the case, but it doesn't happen in all cases. So after that, I went to the Whoop support forum and I just saw a few different posts where either Whoop was coming into the comments and saying, hey, yep, just reach out to us and we'll help you get this resolved. Or users were reporting having to reach out to Whoop support to get it resolved. So that's what I ended up doing to get this fixed. Let me put a couple screenshots on the screen that will be helpful. I sent Whoop an email message to get the process started. Just saying, hey, I bought the 12-month membership from Amazon. It was not added to my account. And here's what they asked for, just so you all can include all this information up front instead of having to go back and forth with support a couple times. Um, let's see. They said, yeah, it should have been added. They asked first for the Amazon order number. They said it usually starts with like 113 or something like that. They asked for the date of purchase and they asked me just to confirm that the device I paired was brand new and sealed. So I did that. I just gave them the number, the date that I bought it on, and just confirmed that it was brand new and sealed. Once I sent them back, they came back with a couple more questions. Um, they asked for a screenshot of your purchase receipt that I took from Amazon. I'll try to show you where I got that there. I basically just took a screenshot. What I clicked on was actually view invoice. So in the Amazon app on my phone, it was a little easier to see, but on the website, it'll be up there in blue letters as well. So the view invoice will get you where you need to go there. And then the last thing they wanted was the device ID, so the actual ID of the new Whoop. So I included that. That can be found in the Whoop app. Let's see, the steps to get that. I believe you go to more, you go to device settings on the Whoop app. So I included the number of the device as well as I just sent a screenshot of that device ID as well, just in case they would ask for that. But those are the things that I sent back to Whoop. They were actually able to get the 1 year subscription added to my account same day. So it took a few back and forth emails, but they were able to get that added. It was a little more manual than I would like. Ideally, I'd like to have, a gift card code or something that you could just redeem for that 12-month subscription. But Whoop was able to get it taken care of. So I hope that addresses your issue there about Amazon orders from Whoop not getting added in terms of the 12-month membership, not getting added to the account right when you buy it or automatically. Hope that was helpful. Please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.